Synology DS2422 Plus Review, 12-bay ECC memory, expansion, and active backup tested. Honestly. You're watching your storage capacity climb dangerously past 85% again, and you know exactly what's coming. Slow backups, angry users, and that dreaded conversation with management about needing more drives immediately. A colleague told me his file server completely froze mid-quarter because he ran out of space during automated backups. The chaos that followed cost more than the hardware would have. Does this hit painfully close to home? Every temporary fix feels like desperately slapping duct tape on a crumbling dam. You're constantly juggling external drives, deleting old projects you might desperately need later, and losing sleep wondering if tonight's backup will finish before users arrive tomorrow morning. One IT admin described the mounting pressure as absolutely suffocating. Deadlines slipping, complaints piling up relentlessly, credibility eroding daily. There has to be a smarter, calmer way forward. Then everything changed when I found the Synology DiskStation DS2422 Plus with its quad-core CPU and expandable memory. Don't just pick any desktop NAS. Make sure it has ECC memory protection so you never waste time on silent data corruption that destroys backups and ruins your professional reputation again. This powerhouse starts with 12 hot swappable bays, but scales seamlessly to 24 bays using one Synology DX1222 expansion unit. No data migration, zero downtime. Just add drives and keep growing organically. Inside, an AMD Ryzen V1500B quad-core processor with hardware encryption acceleration handles simultaneous file serving, active backup jobs for dozens of workstations, VM hosting via ISCSI, and Docker containers without breaking a sweat. You get expandable memory up to 32 gigabytes for serious multitasking, dual PCIe slots for 10 GBE upgrades or NVMe SSD cache acceleration, and 4 1 GBE ports with link aggregation pushing aggregate throughput past 440 megabytes per second. A creative agency director was seconds from missing a critical client deadline when his aging NAS choked on large 4K video files. After deploying the DS2422 Plus, render times dropped by 60% and file access became instant. The relief was immediate. The performance endured. 8 months later, businesses report completely transformed workflows and operational confidence. Time saved on backups translates directly into sharper focus during critical projects, stronger daily control over versioning and file access, and measurable reduction in IT firefighting stress. One NAS storage reviewer observed the V1500B processor handled simultaneous SMB file transfers, active backup jobs for 20 Windows PCs, and 3 Docker containers without any noticeable bottleneck. Aggregate throughput across 4 bonded 1 gigabit Ethernet ports hit 445 megabytes per second, which is about as good as it gets on gigabit Ethernet. A school district IT administrator shared, "We deployed 3 DS2422 Plus units across our buildings, running active backup for 80 staff laptops each, shared folders, and surveillance station with 16 cameras per building. Total backup licensing cost? $0. That saved us over $12,000 yearly compared to our previous Veeam setup." The upfront price might feel steep compared to consumer NAS units, but here's the honest truth. You're eliminating per-device backup licensing forever, gaining enterprise-class BTRFS snapshots with immutable protection against ransomware, and building a platform that expands confidently for years without painful forklift upgrades. Managed service providers have deployed hundreds of DS2422 Plus units with rock-solid reliability across diverse environments. thousands of SMBs, creative studios, and schools trusted daily for mission-critical storage. Is another sleepless night worrying about capacity really worth avoiding this strategic investment? The Synology DiskStation DS2422 Plus isn't just hardware, it's operational peace of mind and future-proof scalability that grows with you. You move decisively from reactive crisis management to proactive, confident growth. Law firms, photography studios, engineering teams, and school districts are standardizing on it because DSM integrates backup, replication, file sync, and surveillance into one elegant platform with zero licensing fees. Results may vary based on your specific workload and configuration, but the foundation is enterprise-proven and field-tested. Check the link in the description or pinned comment for full specs and current pricing. If you're ready to scale confidently and sleep soundly, explore the DS2422 Plus today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.